It's like a Polaroid love 사랑 촌스러운 그 감정 근데 내 가슴이 뛰어 왜 날 이래 난
왜 사랑에 목매는 건지 어차피 뻔한 감정이잖아 분명 다 안 다 믿었지 알고도 빠진 함정인가 봐 나도 모르게 When you call my name 가슴 아프게 날 심장이 쿵쿵 It's like a Polaroid love 사랑 촌스러운 그 감정
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted I fell right through the cracks Now I'm trying to get back Before the cool done run out I'll be giving it my bestest And nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention I reckon it's again my turn To win some or learn some But I won't hesitate no more, no more It cannot wait I'm yours
Do you love the rain? Does it make you dance when you jump with your friends at a party? What's your favorite song? Does it make you smile? Do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all I'd spend 10,000 hours and 10,000 more Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life Hey, hey, hey Your lipstick stains on the front lobe of my left side brains I knew I wouldn't forget you And so I went and let you blow my mind Your sweet moonbeam The smell of you in every single dream I dream I knew when we collided You're the one I have decided Who's one of my kind Hey soul sister Ain't that Mr. on the radio Stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know Hey soul sister I don't wanna miss a single thing you do Tonight Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on You got the healing that I want Just like they say in the song Till the dawn Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on We got this king says to ourselves
Salamat po sa sponsor namin, Eat Care Pharma. Thank you very much sa ulitin po. Marami po tayo natulungan. Maraming salamat sa talaga. God bless po.
There's loving in your eyes that pulls me closer It's so subtle, I'm in trouble But I love to be in trouble with you Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on
Hi guys! Tapos na po ang aming mission dito sa Cacayasen Burgos, Pangasinan. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Please subscribe and follow us in YouTube.
YouTube and Facebook. Maraming salamat po sa inyong mga tulong. Thank you. God bless all.
Thank you so much.
On the right side of the bed, what's up with this Prince song inside my head?